Hello and welcome to WebDevMentors YouTube channel. So, haven't you subscribed to the channel yet? What are you waiting for? Subscribe now. But before subscribing to the channel, you might have a couple of questions. Maybe like, why would you subscribe to this channel? And what is there to subscribe for? Well, we might have the answer for it. If not the complete answer, at least some answer. At the moment, the current course that we are having is Learning Bootstrap series. So it's a Bootstrap series that has all those concepts that is necessary for integrating and implementing the Bootstrap into your website to make it responsive and also more good looking. And we also have an upcoming course. It's the Programming in Java for Beginners. It's a beginner series for Java programming. So it's going to cover all those basic steps and fundamentals of Java. So it's going to be very useful for people who doesn't have much of a knowledge in Java or much of a knowledge in programming as well. So we also have a list of upcoming or coming soon courses. So the first course is going to be the Android, that's going to come directly after the end of the Java course. So the reason why we put the Java course before Android is that Android application development course needs Java. You need to know Java in order to do some application development in Android. So that's the reason why Java has been put forward, and Android is going to follow up as a course that's going to lead from the Java course. So while this Android course is going on, as the Android course is too big, while it's going on, we'll be having a couple of courses. It's also going to come at the same time. It's the PHP and MySQL course. It's going to be a course where all those PHP concepts will be touched up, and we'll also be coming to the MySQL part where it'll be very easy for you to actually integrate PHP in MySQL and create an application, a database-oriented application in the web or web services that uses PHP and MySQL. Along with that, we'll also be touching up with the Python course, where you'll be learning a lot of stuff that's related to Python and also how to write a Python programming and what are all the cool stuff that you can do with only Python and not any other languages. So we got the two backend languages, for example, the scripting languages that runs on the server. What happens to what it looks like, the interface that's needed for this application. That's where we came up with the course that could help with you. It's going to be HTML5 and also Foundation 5. So the reason why Foundation 5 has been brought in is the reason that there are some people who might feel that Bootstrap 3 is not up to the mark. It's not good enough. That's the reason why we brought in Foundation 5, and Foundation 5 is a little bit more advanced. It is a bit complex, but it gives you advanced features to make your website more responsive. So we also brought in Foundation 5 into it. And well, it's going to be a very busy year for WebDevMentors with a lot of courses coming in. Well, not just for us, but for you as well in learning all those courses. Well, if you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe now. It's the right time. Subscribe now to learn a lot of things. It's going to be a lot of new stuffs and also to know a lot that you don't know actually. We'll be touching a lot of new technologies, if not full and deep, at least to a level where you can know what it is, what it is used for, and why you have to use it, and what is the difference between the already existing one and this new technology. These are all things that we'll be touching up sooner. Well, thank you for subscribing and supporting if you have already subscribed. If not, please subscribe now. So this WebDevMentors, it stands with the learn and stand out with knowledge. Learning is different from reading. So know the difference, start learning, do a lot of things a lot of people cannot do. Thank you. And please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Please subscribe. Press the subscribe button right now.